Oh, hey, Norbert, check this out. You've never saunted before, buddy. Buddy? You mad at me? You didn't finish. You didn't finish. Is there more? Or less? Where's the other one? Did you see the one? Oh, there it is. Ah! Hey! Look at this one. You're under there and we zoomed in on your hey? And your shit cam a bunch of times? Yep. Is that awesome? Mm-hmm. What's a month? What's that month? Which one was that? Which one was that? Oh no. Nelson is September. Yeah. It's a good month. Mm-hmm. Hey, you like that? Yeah. It's awesome, right? Figured it would be pretty vulgar to make every month Nelson. Hey? You might be upset with exposing your genitals and stuff. So how you making out, buddy? I'm pretty good. I should go get a an air asshole. Hey, we need these guys, remember? Yeah. So I should get those, drop the alternator off. And what was the other thing? Oh, air fittings for that other truck. So I need this. I keep thinking there was something else, and I'm going to drive all the way to Sarnia and be on my way back and remember. Oh yeah, what the is up with this? Nelson, what happened? Okay. Holy schnackowitz, buddy.
A little jiggle. I think it's got a dead coil pack somewhere. I changed one, but I don't know. That's pretty good.
Can you like unplug them and see which one makes the change?
Yeah.
Did you do that already?
Yeah, that's what I did on this side. But
right on. But it doesn't, I don't know. It doesn't sound like it's clicking or ticking or anything, does it? Just got a dead miss.
I use a new star, but the other one was a little different.
But I might be able to get that other one rebuilt, but yeah, that's good though. You fixed it. Oh, and look at this. They're metric O-rings. Mm-hmm. So I went to the O-ring place and got some new O-rings. What was that? Holy shit, buddy. You're so good at fixing stuff. So that's all it was, you know, like a coil pack and a starter.
Yeah, fired up, no problem.
Right on.
Should seem to work.
Decent. Decent, buddy. You're so good at fixing things. Are you sleeping? Oh no. Oh, how you doing?
Oh, good.
Holy, sleeping?
No sleeping.
Oh no.
Yeah.
You got her warm in here, eh?
No, it's down.
Nice.
Yeah, fuck, that's pretty much cleaned over there.
Right on.
Well, now, maybe they don't deal with all those dishes.
Good Lord. All right, well, I was just checking to see if you're alive.
Yeah, I'm alive.
Right on, man.
All right.
Right on. Okay. Do you want a sandwich or something?
Yeah, sure.
Price.
Maybe the injector is still the coil. Like I just changed the coil and it's still that cylinder, so I'm gonna check the plugs. But
All right, so we got the airlines bypass there. That's a little high bone. That's the guy in there. She's either melted or stuck in there with clips or whatever. But let's see what happens. No preheat. Let's see what happens. Let's let her build up air, boys. Oh, and I found this too. These wires were completely melted, and I was dicking around and I seen sparks shooting out of the thing. So that's probably like the power to the heater. So those are live right now, big time. I think the air compressor is going to need to be rebuilt, boys. Well, we fixed the air leak for the most part, I guess. Does it got multiple injectors per cylinder?
doesn't seem to.
Just 2 spark plugs per cylinder?
Yeah, 2 plugs. Pulled out a plug and they look like they're fairly new.
Uh-oh.
That's the only cylinder, you know, I can pull a coil line out. It doesn't change anything, so it's got to be.
Something to do with that one. Check that out, boys. New air compressor gasket. Holy schnikovich. Hey, Nelbert, where's that power steering line?
Blow it off.
This one here or this one here?
Yeah, it's right here. That one was leaking, but
Right down here or something? Or?
let's look at it. Here. Should probably just blast it off, blow it off. Air blower.
How many times have you had to fix a guy's engine by turning it on? Lots? Bring them in like, oh, you just... I tried to start this the other day and I was busy doing this and that and I'm pulling it, and I'm like, what the f***? And then, oh yeah.
It does get him pulling back, you know, after that workshop flipping out. Oh, you didn't fix it right, take out gas.
Oh. Piece of piss, right, Nelson?
Hmm?
Piece of piss, right?
Hmm?
No big deal.
So far.
Check this stuff out, dudes. Right on the top, right there. Perfect. Not the same guy? Nope.
Sure looks the same.
Try stabbing her in there. It's your f***s, you know what I mean? Should we spray him down? Give her a little B12 chem tool happy? Do you want a couple f***ing roach clip wires?
A little different. Yeah, but what's the worst can happen? It wasn't working anyway.
Mm-hmm. Tipsters, Nelson? Well, see you. I just like watching. Oh dear, fuel. Oh my goodness. They're fixed. Oh my goodness, it's something time in Inwood. Did I lock it? You sleeping?
Let's see, see. Whoa, pizza?
Yeah, careful.
Oh, pizza.
Careful.
Oh, shit.
Careful.
Oh, careful.
Careful.
Careful. Oh,
Okay.
fuck. Thank you very much, man.
No worries.
Fantastic. Oh, shit.
Careful. Oh, it's just seeping. Just seeping. Not too bad. Somebody must have been up all night pecking. Probably picked himself into an infection. Probably gonna have to give him a ride to the hospital later. So that's great. Oh, Larry Mans. Look at the Larry Mans. What happened? No, they got cut down. See how they're cut down about this high? When you're chainsawing trees, this is a tip from Inwood. Cut them the stumps this high. You know, you chainsaw here when you're cutting a tree down.
You know what our rentals, what they always do? They try to remove the stump, they put the blade right in the dirt. And go all the way around.
Nice. That's awesome.
Every time.
That's fucking awesome. Oh, give her the Larry Mans, buddy. We should see if there's another fuel filter on there.
In there?
Oh, that's the thing you're talking about.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. I was talking about this thing here. That's the filter that I got.
You still have it?
The new one, yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's just like the pre-filter or something, right? Yeah. Okay. All of a sudden you had me smoking crack. I was like, what the f on crack? What the f is that? You know, so that's the one filter, that's the other filter. So we should be able to just clean that out. I'm going to order some new ones, but yeah, we'll just clean that one out, put it back in, and then we'll take that other one off, and we should have the new one for that one. Yeah, you gotta kind of, you know, pull the filter off. That fuel looks good. Nothing wrong with that. Ignition coil D secondary circuit. So that's awesome. That'll be my clamper. Woo! We might as well change the planetary oils while we're down, you know what I mean? Get her all lickety splips for springtime. Holy shit, what did I come in here for? Oh, the oil. So there's a little bit there. That's the shit there. That's not going to be enough, but at least there's some in it. It's not too sparkly. Actually, it looks pretty good. Not scared, you know what I mean? Sometimes I get scared to open up my diff cover. I apologize. Okay, we'll probably take the car.
All right.
And yeah, get your cigarette up here. I'll get my shit ready and we'll go.